Rebuilding as an online entrepreneur. Episode 1. Starting again, building a new future online. Introduction: the rebuilding season. There are moments in life when the path we planned suddenly changes. A career may end. Circumstances may shift. Health, family responsibilities, financial pressures, or unexpected events may force us to reconsider the future we imagined. And in those moments, a question often rises. What do I do now? For many people, rebuilding begins with searching for a new opportunity. A new way to create income. A new way to use their abilities. A new way to build something meaningful. This is where online entrepreneurship enters the conversation. Not as a shortcut. Not as a promise of instant success, but as a possibility. A possibility to learn, create, serve, and build again. Chapter 1: Rebuilding does not mean starting with nothing. One of the biggest mistakes people make when rebuilding is believing they are starting from zero. But that is rarely true. You may be starting a new chapter, but you are not starting empty. You bring your experiences, your knowledge, your skills, your lessons, your relationships, your resilience. Every season of your life has deposited something into you. Rebuilding is not about becoming someone completely different. It is about discovering how what you already carry can create value in a new environment. Chapter 2: What is online entrepreneurship? Online entrepreneurship simply means creating value through digital platforms. It can take many forms. Some people build online businesses through digital products, education, consulting, creative services, content creation, online communities, e-commerce, software and technology, membership platforms, or a combination of different models. The important question is not, which online business is everyone else doing? The better question is, what problem can I solve, and who can I help? Chapter 3: The entrepreneurial mindset shift. Before building a business, you must rebuild your thinking. Entrepreneurship requires a different mindset. You move from waiting for opportunities, creating opportunities, trading only time for money, building assets, consuming information, creating value, looking for permission, taking responsibility, expecting perfection, taking consistent action. Every successful online business begins with someone deciding, I am willing to learn something new. Chapter 4: The reality nobody talks about. Online entrepreneurship is exciting, but it is not effortless. Building something real requires learning new skills, making mistakes, testing ideas, improving, being consistent when results are slow. Many people quit because they expect a harvest before they have planted. But every business begins invisibly. First comes learning, then comes building, then comes growth. Chapter 5: The Rebuilding Entrepreneur Roadmap. Step 1: Discover your direction. Start by understanding yourself. What interests you? What problems do you understand? Step 2: Develop your skills. Successful entrepreneurs are lifelong learners. Skills such as communication, marketing, technology, sales, content creation, problem solving, financial understanding, can transform possibilities into businesses. Step 3: Build your platform. Your online presence becomes your digital foundation. This may include a website, social media, a newsletter, a community, a portfolio. Your platform allows people to discover who you are and how you can help. Step 4: Create value consistently. People do not follow businesses simply because they exist. They follow businesses that help them. The foundation of online entrepreneurship is value. Teach, encourage, solve problems, serve people well. Chapter 6: Building around your reality. One of the greatest advantages of online entrepreneurship is flexibility. It allows people to explore opportunities around their circumstances. Whether you are changing careers, returning to work, managing responsibilities, looking for additional income, or creating something completely new, the digital world provides possibilities that did not exist in previous generations. Your rebuilding season is not the end of your story. It may be the beginning of a different one. You may not know every step yet. You may not have everything you need yet. But every entrepreneur begins somewhere. One idea, one skill, one decision, one step. Rebuilding is not about recreating the past. It is about building a future. If you are rebuilding your life, career, or income, subscribe and join this journey. In the next episode, we will explore finding your online business idea, turning your experience into opportunity. We will look at how to identify your strengths, discover opportunities, and choose a direction that fits your new chapter. You may already have the foundation of your future business hidden inside your experiences. In the next episode, we discover how to identify your skills, passions, and knowledge and transform them into online opportunities. See you in the next one, but in the meantime, keep rebuilding.